Hi, my name's Hugh from the Mini Specialist, and today I'm going to take you around this 2009 Mini Cooper. So this is Mini Cooper I bought from the last owner, and he was selling it because it was burning oil. This is a common problem with this car of this age. The valve stem seals and the cylinder head age, they crack, they drop oil into the pistons and it burns. So he knew that was happening. He didn't want to sell it to a private person in the knowledge that it was burning that much oil, so he sold it to me and I fixed it. So we've taken the head off his car, reconditioned the head, put a new cam chain on it, fixed another source of oil leak at the same time, which is the front of the car. Behind the grille here there's an oil filter housing, so we took that apart and sealed it as well. So this car's done literally just over 71,000 miles. Bodywork's in pretty decent condition. Let's have a closer look. These bonnet stripes, they will come off with a hairdryer. And it's a taste thing, you like them or you don't. Now this does have a stone chip on it. We can remove those bonnet stripes if you prefer, or we can leave them on, it's up to you. But we won't replace them, they will come off and just be gone, or you keep them as is. But outside of that, there's no major dinks or scrapes on the body. I think there might be a stone chip here or there, but nothing major. Refurbished wheels, these are powder coated, and the discs are virtually new, as you can see. Tyres in good condition. And coming down this side, there's no dinks that I can see, any bruises. We've got chrome mirror backs here. Doors in good nick. Coming down here, let's see. Again, refurbished alloy wheel, almost new discs. In fact, there's no rust on those discs. Fantastic tyre. Around the back, we have got matching or sort of matching stripes on the tailgate, bumpers in good nick, and then down this side we've got another good tyre, refurbished alloy wheel, and then again the bodywork's in really good condition. There's no car parking bruises that I can see down here. All looks pretty decent to me. Good tyre, refurbished wheel, new disc. So that's the detail. We do have a black roof, which complements the stripes, I guess, but that's the outside. Let's have a look inside. Coming in from the driver's side, we've got this piano black mirror finished here, white door cards, half white leather on the inside, steering wheel controls, pretty decent spec actually. Let me get in and show you. So if you've never seen or been in a Mini before, this generation at least has got this key, and it goes into that slot there. You press the clutch and press the button, car fires up, and all the lights go out, and there you are, car's running. Let me just turn the side lights on to give some backlighting. So as of today, the car's done 71,001 miles. It's really cold outside, 3.5 degrees. The car is cold, so we're revving a little bit more just until it warms up. Over here we have the radio and the main, so the radio's here and this is the main speedo here, but we can also have the speed here by flicking this button until we get speed there, and it hops up right in front of you so that it's right in front of your eye line as you're driving. Car steering wheel controls, so this is the radio and this is the cruise control. And over here we have a CD, the radio, which is the tuner, CD and auxiliary, and this is the configuration of the trip computer. Down here we've got the air conditioning controls. These are the windows left and right, front and rear fog lights, and that's central locking. The doors do lock when you drive off anyway, but you can unlock them in this way. Down here we have the start stop button. This turns the start stop off. This turns the traction control off. 6-speed gearbox. Over here we have a secret, or not so secret, glove box, and over here we've got the regular glove box. Up here we've got mood lighting, which you can change the colour on. So it goes through different colours and so on. And it also reflects up here and inside here. So now the car's warmed up a bit. The tick over is stable and just below 1,000 RPM. So there you are. We have a 2009 Mini Cooper in pepper white with a black roof, refurbished alloy wheels, and a lot of work done on the engine to make it as best as we can. That means the reconditioned head to stop the oil consumption that is prone on these cars of this age. We also changed the cam chain. Now, just put that in perspective, we charge £1,500 for that job when we offer that service to customers with their own cars. We also did the oil filter housing, which is a regular site for oil leaks on these cars. So I'm pretty sure this car will go out, very good order. The car has got an extensive service history, lots of stamps in the book. Of course, so we've just given it a platinum service, which we would charge £210 for, but that's the big service as well. Just been MOT'd. Come along, drive it. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for watching.